What is going on, guys? It's your boy RdnRacing and welcome back to another YouTube video. Now guys, today we've got something very special. We have got this, and let me try to say the whole name out first. LB-ER34 Super Silhouette Nissan Skyline. It's just so much, but it's basically the R34 in this Liberty white body kit. I know it's called the Silhouette, Super Silhouette thing. And this car is so sought after, it's insane. It's very difficult to get this actually, in fact. And I am actually lucky enough to manage to buy this. My sister actually got this for me for my birthday, and I'm super grateful for that. And yeah, super pumped to have this in my collection. We're gonna quickly unbox this car, but before that, the other cars in this collection. So obviously we've got R34 right here. We've got a Toyota Celica NSX Type R, the AE86 with this amazing like lady paint job right there, and the Mitsubishi 3000 GT in the version 4. So yeah, out of all the cars, obviously this is the one that's well sought after. I assume the AE86 will be well sought after as well, but the prices recently I noticed is actually, it's plummeting. It's not as much. But this, the R34, it's insane. It's insanity, guys, and we're gonna quickly unbox this car today. So yeah, like you guys know, a lot of people who like it carded, I might trigger you by doing this, but I don't care. It's my collection. I can do whatever I want, and I like to take them out of the box. I like to display them in my own boxes, in fact. And one of the benefits of taking them out is actually when I go on like car meets and photo shoots, right? I can actually bring the car along and show it to them. But before that, if you guys notice, and I just noticed this, there is an additional plastic piece right here where the car is actually supposedly supposed to go. And actually, it gives the car some extra protection, which is very nice to see from Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels, well done, man. So we're gonna leave that aside. Before this, obviously you guys know the card is gonna go up against the wall as always. And this amazing, I mean, just look at this, it's amazing. So this is gonna go up the wall, but the focus is this car. And right off the bat, guys, the car actually feels heavy. It's heavier than most premiums this size, which I think it just helps to add on to the the whole volume of the car, the whole tenacity of how this thing looks. It's just I'm sorry for that. I'm at a loss for words because I absolutely love this car. But yeah, we're gonna quickly go through the car. So wheels, they are blacked out wheels, 5-spoke rims, and obviously rubber tires. They spin amazingly well, both sides do. They sound different. The front sounds heavier than the rear, not sure why, but they are amazingly done as well. And a lot of sponsor stickers, so we're gonna go through all of them quickly. So obviously we've got right here, we've got the Advent, Skyline, number 5 that says let me see if I can, LB Works. So it says LB Works on top right there. It says LB Performance right here, Liberty Walk, LBWK. I have no idea what that sentence is because it's too blurry for me to read. Liberty Walk right here. It says LB something right there as well, and then we've got another LBWK decal right here, and another decal right here. I'm so sorry, but I have no idea what it is. Wait a minute, let me try to see if I can read it. It actually says Nismo, so you guys can actually read it from here. So the decal over here, the long decal, that says imagine all the people living life in peace right here, and obviously the white sticker right here says Nismo. Very nice to see. And before we move on to the front, so these are all the decals right here. Obviously, if you guys can see, the first thing that attracts your attention, I'm sure, is the roll cage inside, because that's in yellow. It's a bright color for a roll cage, and I think that's one of the things that make this car so nice. It has a lot of road presence, and obviously you can see the two-tone paint job, the red and black is iconic silhouette paint job. And if you move to the front of the vehicle, here we've got the headlights. Obviously the printer headlights, Nissan logo right there, the Nismo logo right there, the air intake ducts as usual, the LBWK, and this massive front lip. I think that's the specialty of the whole silhouette white body kit, and that's about it. Obviously we've got the number 5 right here, so you guys saw the first 5 here. This is the second indication of the number 5 with the LB Works on top. If you look at the left side of the vehicle, here we've got the wheels, obviously 5-spoke wheels, spin amazingly well. This car, guys, has side exhaust. There's a side exhaust right here. They don't have it at the rear because the rear has something massive, which I will get back in a while. So obviously you can, like I mentioned, the exhaust is actually right there. You guys can have a look. The LBWK, Liberty Walk right there, Nismo LBWK, the number 5 decal, Advent at the back, and of course Skyline and LBWK right there. So this car really, if you see this in the road, you guys know you guys would definitely know it's a Liberty Walk wide body kit, because it's literally all around the car. And yeah, so you guys can see the side skirts, this amazing body kit that I did not show you earlier on, but you guys can obviously see this amazing body kit. Very well done. It's very unique, you know, very different from the typical wide bodies that you guys can see. And if you look at the back, here's where Girth Nation, welcome back to the channel, because she is girthy, she is wide, and she is menacing. So right off the bat, this first thing we notice is a spoiler, huge spoiler, that says Liberty Walk on the top right there. The spoiler is insane. And then the one that I said, the massive thing, that's the diffuser. So just check out the diffuser on this car. It is phenomenal. I don't know if you guys can see the volume of it, but it's massive, bro. It's all the way from the wheels all the way to the back, and it's insane at how much diffuser we've got, how much material of diffuser we've got. Obviously we've got the iconic 4R34 headlights, the LB-WK right there, and it says LB Performance and license plate as well. Really nice car, very well done. We just have a look from the top right here. See if this is better for you. There you go. And we're gonna look at the base. Obviously the base is a bit disappointing because there is nothing at all in the base, no design whatsoever, except for obviously the side exhaust. I'm not gonna complain though. I absolutely love this car. I think this is amazing, and this is it's worth to be a centerpiece in my collection, obviously. And yeah, so from now we're actually gonna do a few rolling shots, and then I'll see you at the end. Guys, we've come to the end of the video. I hope you guys had an amazing time. I sure had an amazing time unboxing this vehicle. It's gonna go insanely well in my collection. Just look at this car. I mean, just like that, guys, this video is over. I'll see you in the next one, and I'm out. Bye.